Welcome to Burger Week, Camp Griddle More, and because it's Burger Week, we need to go big. Let's do my current favorite smash burger. It's the bacon, cheddar, barbecue pretzel, double smash burger. I'm awful hungry, so let's get camping and let's get cooking. Here at Camp Griddle More, we have made a standard house smash burger, and we also did an episode on the glazed donut smash burger, which is a favorite of Sean, the camera guy. But today we are cranking it up to 10 on the smash burger scale, and we're gonna start by making a simple sauce. That is a huge part of the fun when making smash burgers, is making your own sauces and coming up with some cool ideas in that department. So let's get started by mixing up some Sweet Baby Ray's with some Mike's Hot Honey, and it is gonna make a magical sauce for today's smash burger. These fresh baked pretzel rolls are going to be another one of the key ingredients in today's smash burger cook. You can get pretzel rolls at the grocery store or at your local Walmart, but we were able to get them freshly baked at a local bakery this morning. So let's get them sliced up and ready to go. Our pretzel rolls are on the larger side, so we want to shape our smash burgers appropriately so the bun is not dominating and overwhelming the beef. And let's also remember to give it a generous shake of our whiskey burger seasoning. Now it is time to fire up our Blackstone 22-inch adventure-ready flex-fold griddle, which is another great griddle for the campground. And once it's up to temp, let's go down with our thick-cut bacon and get that ready for our smash burgers. A la Todd Toven, we are gonna turn our thick-cut bacon a few times during the cook just so we don't burn it. And once it's done, we're gonna put it to the side and let it drain. Then we want to put a little bit of griddle spray onto our spatula so those smash burgers do not stick when we press them down nice and thin on the smoking hot griddle. Now our smash burgers are ready to be flipped, and we're gonna go down with that sharp cheddar from the deli. And I love how they cut these slices kind of big so that it creates some skirting over the burger, which tastes really, really good. And we're gonna also put our pretzel rolls down to toast up, and then our burgers are basically going to be done. They cook up so lightning fast. Let's pull off our toasted pretzel rolls, stack up our double cheeseburgers, then add our bacon and a generous amount of pickles, and then drizzle on that sauce that we made with the Sweet Baby Ray's and the Mike's Hot Honey. And I love the Sweet Baby Ray's for this cook because it's a little bit thicker than a lot of the other barbecue sauces that you can get off the shelf at the grocery store. This is looking like so much more than a smash burger. It is looking like an experience. So let's get ready to dive in and take a bite and see how it tastes. The bacon, cheddar, barbecue, double smash burger. Let's give it a post dust and then give it a taste. This looks like perfection. I'm so excited by the Sweet Baby Ray's and the Mike's Hot Honey, that combo barbecue sauce. I've had it before, it's good. Let's bite into this bad boy. This is so delicious. This is the best smash burger I think I've ever made personally. It is sweet, it is tangy, it is salty. Everything about this is awesome. I love the sweetness from the barbecue sauce. I love that little kick of spiciness and sweetness again from the honey. Love the saltiness of the pickles. Love the taste of the bacon, of course. And this pretzel roll is off the hook. Having fresh baked bread for your smash burger takes it to another level. So I'm enjoying every single bite of this. This is the best smash burger I've ever made. Thank you so much for joining us for Burger Week. And make sure that you check out all of the other shows on the Blackstone Network for awesome inspiration for your next great burger. Until next time, hope to see all of you at the campground. And I need to get back to work on this burger because it is so good.